Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So I just got back a few minutes ago from the parking lot sale. This is June 2026. And I had a little bit of a mini tool haul and just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on the stock that I saw, especially when it came down to the wrench sets, because I know that's probably going to be one of the hottest items on here. If you guys haven't seen the ad for the parking lot sale, there'll be a link at the end of the video if you guys want to take a look at some of the other videos kind of going through the flyer itself. But let's kind of get into the little mini tool haul that I did here. So a couple things. So the only thing that I really purchased today, or the only things I took advantage of, was going to be this 35% off of Icon wrench sets. I already have quite a few of their wrench sets. There's only really one that's kind of been my white whale, where every time they have a sale, it tends to be sold out. I could never find it. And this time they actually happen to have it in stock, which was awesome. I'll go over that in a second. And then on 30% off of all Doyle products. While this is a decent deal, a lot of times they'll go up to 35, sometimes 40%, especially off of things like screwdrivers, pliers, things like that. But I decided to pick up some of their new multimeters and testers, things like that, and I'll go over that with you guys in a second. And that's pretty much all I picked up today. And so let's kind of go over what I picked up, and then I'll at the end of the video I'll kind of tell you what I saw as far as what stock was left, especially when it came to the wrench sets. And then one thing is, I did happen to be in there yesterday, maybe a couple hours before closing time. I actually needed to buy something else. I'm there constantly, and I happened to kind of take a quick glance around so I could see what the stock looked like, and then that way I can compare it to what it looked like this morning. So let's kind of go through it. So Doyle had recently released a few different, of their multimeters. There was this one. There was this which retails for $60. There's also one for, I think, the retail for $40. I decided to skip on. I just went with this guy, and they had a couple of their non-contact testers. They had this is the one that I was really looking for. The one for $24.99 that came with an infrared thermometer as well. And this one, because the retail price is $12.99, so you know what, let's give this thing a shot. Can probably have a life in one of my go bags, because I do love these things. Because whenever I tend to use my go bags, I'm at family or friend's house trying to fix something electrical in their house. So this will definitely come in handy. Just to kind of go over some pricing. So this thing was $59.99 normal retail price, 30% off, so it was $41.99. I think that was a pretty good deal. This is going to be one of my more robust multimeters. Usually I use just kind of like an auto ranging one, like something similar to this, because a lot of the stuff that I work on is not that intensive. And then, like I said, we got these non-contact ones. This one that was $12.99 was on sale for $9.09. And this one that was $24.99 was on sale for $17.49. So I'm really kind of intrigued as far as this one and the multimeter. I'll probably play around with them for a little while, then maybe I'll do a video on them. If you guys are interested, maybe leave some comments down below if you guys are. But like I said, this was kind of the main reason why I went there. I decided this time around I wasn't going to line up at 8 a.m. like I normally do, and just to kind of just see what happens, because every time I've gone, I still haven't been able to get this guy. So I was like, I'll just kind of stroll in when I can, and let's keep our fingers crossed that it's there. And it happened to be there. So this is just the stubby flex head ratcheting wrench set. And they actually I got this one, and there was one additional left in stock, which I thought was, was surprising, because this is one of the first things that usually sells out, at least at those stores local to me. This one, pretty expensive for kind of what it is. It's $129.99, but it was on sale for $84.99. That's why I picked it up. And for me, stubbies, ratcheting, flex head, this is kind of the holy grail for wrenches for me, because it works for what I work on, because I tend to work on things that are a little bit smaller in here. So let's kind of go over what stock that I saw when I was there. So when I went in there last night, I noticed that their wrench set was decently stocked. Basically, they had at least a couple of almost every single wrench set. Some of them they had like 3 or 4, and that's why I was thought that I wasn't going to be able to get this guy, because if there was only 2 of them in stock, I figured they would be gone. Actually, no, I'm sorry. There was 3 of these in stock yesterday. When I went in this morning, like I said, 9:30, so an hour and a half after they've already opened, their wrench section was still pretty much full, which surprised me, because usually when they have these 35% off or 40% off of Icon wrench, ratchets, sockets, stuff like that sales, there's usually a line when I first get there at 8 a.m. and some of the more common stuff usually sells out, pretty much immediately, like within, the first minute of the sale. But this time around, pretty much everything was still in stock. Like I said, there was this one right here, and then an additional one as well. So I have a feeling that these will be probably out of stock, probably now, if not, very, very soon. So if you're an ITC member, you're probably going to be able to get what you wanted if you got in there today. But if you're not, I'm not sure if they're going to have what you guys want if you wait until Friday for the non-ITC members there. The only one wrench set that I saw that was sold out, at least on my local store, was the regular size version of this in metric. So the regular flex head ratcheting wrenches, the non-stubby ones, basically, they had the SAE in stock, but they did not have the metric in stock. But outside of that, pretty much everything else was in stock. So if you guys are looking for that, they still probably have it there at your local Harbor Freight. So if you guys are going to go in there, now is probably the time, and I'm glad that I was finally able to get this. So maybe either the hype is finally kind of dying down a little bit, or maybe like me, all the people that were lining up before are pretty much have bought all the wrenches that they've wanted, in the past anyway. So it doesn't make sense to keep buying more and more, obviously. So that's why I kind of sense with myself, at least with every parking lot sale, that my tool hauls tend to get smaller and smaller and smaller. So, tell me, what do you guys think? What are you guys seeing in stock at your local stores? Leave it in the comments down below. Really helps out other people that are looking and debating whether they want to go in today or if they want to wait. And then, tell me what you guys think about this, little tool haul. If you guys have had a chance to try out these Doyle products, let me know. I'd be interested. And then, like I said, if you guys want to see a video about any of this stuff, leave it in the comments down below. And then if you guys did go to the parking lot sale or are about to, let me know what your guys' tool haul looked like as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.